In today's video, I'm going to replace the fuel door lock on the Road Glide Limited. The fuel door does close and it locks. Problem is, trying to open it doesn't want to open. You have to play with it to try to get it to open. What I think is happening is this is all worn out. See how much plays in this mechanism? And it doesn't go all the way back. So I think that's the issue. So I will be replacing the lock itself, not the fuel door. This job is very simple. To remove the lock itself, there is a nut here that needs to be removed first. And on this one here, this is a 7/8 nut. So using my 7/8 wrench, we'll be able to get in there and get that off. Now undo the nut all the way. To make this easier, press the button. That'll return the locking mechanism back, and it'll give you a lot more room to remove the nut. And then this piece just slides right out of the fuel door. To install the new lock, it's the same process as the old lock, just in reverse. Take the nut off the new lock. Slide the new lock through at an angle, be like a 45-degree angle, and then you got to turn it to point it straight up, slide it all the way through. Pushing the button to hold it in place. You're going to take your nut, flat side, towards the fuel door. Start the nut by hand, get it all the way down. This nut happens to be a 22 millimeter, so using my wrench, I'm going to snug this up. And then you might have to turn back just to get this straight up and down. Test the door. Now you can see it works like it's supposed to. This is an aftermarket door lock. I'll put a link to it in the description below if you guys are interested in that. Talk about an easy repair job. Can't get any easier than that. Remember, the one I installed is an aftermarket one, so the button itself is a little different than the original one. Fine by me. I saved a ton of money by going aftermarket, and it works really well, so I'm happy with that. How long it'll last, I really don't know. But you can always go to Harley, get the OEM, and save money by installing it yourself. 93% of the views on this channel are by people who are not subscribed. I ask you, please subscribe to the channel. Help me grow this channel. And as usual, questions, comments, put them down below. I'll get to them as soon as I can. Hopefully this is helpful to somebody. Take care, ride safe, and God bless.